Hello students, good morning to all of you. In previous slides, we have done human source management, definition, importance, meaning, objectives. Now, the next one is functions of human source management. Today in this video, I will cover the functions of human source management and what are the recent trends and challenges faced by a human source manager in an organization. Now, the first I am going to explain the functions of human source management. Human source management involves blending the traditional administrative functions along with the changing concepts of employee welfare in the organization. The retention of employees is dependent on how they are perceived and treated in the organization based on their performance, abilities, and skills. The extent of activities carried out by a HR is dependent on the size, scope of the organization, the nature of operations, and attitude of management towards the employee. Human source management functions can be broadly classified into three categories: managerial function, operative function, and advisory function. Now I am going to start the first one. First one is the managerial functions of HR manager. Managerial function of HR manager is planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling. The first one is planning. Planning is the first foremost function of management. Planning is predetermined actions of human source managers when it comes to core function of human source management. This management function is related to the formulating strategies for employee policies and change if needed in advance that eventually contribute to the goal of organization. So planning is an important role of human source management department. It involves the human resource planning, recruitment followed by a selection and training. Human resource planning also focused on the personal needs, changing attitude, values and behavior of employee and its impact on the firm. And the next function is organizing. In an organization, it is indeed imperative to determine the course of action by HR manager. An organization is considered to be a structure in which a group of cooperative human being assign its task among the employee, identify the relationship and put together its activity toward a common goal. Organizations establish a relationship among its employees, collective contribution in attaining the organization goal and company goal. And after planning and organizing, the next function is staffing and directing. The next managerial function of human source management is direction, staffing and directing. Direction function is the execution of the plan. The fundamental functions of human source management is to motivating, leading, commanding and activating people at any level. For attaining the organizational goal, effective cooperation of the employee is highly important and that can be achieved only through the proper direction. Maximum output from the employee can only be possible through the motivation and command. Coordination is another significant function of human source management and it is done by blending efforts for ensuring the successful attainment of organizational goal. And then after these functions, the last function is the controlling. Controlling function is the last managerial function of human source management department or HR manager in an organization. After the completion of planning, organizing, staffing, directing, the next one is a controlling. So controlling involves the verification of the performance to know that the functions of personnel management are done in conformity with the direction as well as plan of the organization. It also covers the checking and verification and comparing the actual with plans, identifying the deviation if exist any deviation and determining the standards through control. So these are the five functions, managerial functions of human source management, or these are the five functions that are performed by a HR manager in an organization. And the next function is operative functions of human source management. Operative functions of human source management divide into employment, HR development, compensation management, and industrial relation means employee relation. Employment function means procurement function of human resource management. It includes recruitment, selection, training, job analysis, human resource planning, and HR development include the training and development, motivational techniques, how we can motivate the employee, how we can satisfy the employee. And compensation management include the welfare aspect, it include the wages and salary administration. And employee relation include the industry relation, grievance handling, dispute, collective bargaining. So, another these function, productive function of management is recruiting. Recruiting means hiring. Hiring is the process which bring pool of prospective candidates who can help organization achieve their goals and allow managements to select right candidate from the given pool. And after recruitment, the next one is a selection. Selection means select candidate according to the requirement of organization and according to their knowledge, skill and ability. And job analysis and design is also a operative function that are performed by a HR manager in an organization. So, job analysis describing nature of the job like qualification, skill, work experience required for a specific job position is another important operative task. Whereas the job design include outlining task, duties, responsibility into a single work unit to achieve certain goal. And performance appraisal, checking and analyzing employee performance is also another important function, is also one of the operative functions that are performed by a human resource manager in an organization. And training and development function allow employees to acquire a new skills, knowledge to perform their job effectively. Training and development also prefer employees for higher level responsibilities. And salary administration, human resource department also determine pays for different job type, include the compensation, incentive, bonus, benefits related with the job functions. And employee welfare, it include take care of the numerous services, benefits, facility provided by to an employee for their well-being. Maintenance, minimizing employee turnover, sustaining best performance employee within the organization is the key function that are performed by a human resource manager in an organization. Labor relation is also very important to achieve organizational goal. Then personnel records, this function involve the recording, maintaining, retrieving employee related information including employment history, work hours, earning history, etc. So, these are the operative functions that are performed by a human resource manager in an organization. And another function of human resource manager is advisory, to advise the human resource, to advise the management. Now, the next one is what are the recent trends in human resource management. The first one is globalization adds implication. Second one is workforce diversity. Third one is employee expectation. Fourth one is a changing skill requirements. Fifth one is a corporate downsizing. And the sixth one is a continuous improvement program. Seventh is re-engineering work process for improved productivity. Eighth is contingent workforce. Ninth one is mass customization. 10th is decentralized work sites. And 11th is employee involvement. 12th is technology. 13th is health and family work life balance. Confidentiality. So, these are the recent trends and challenges that are faced by a human resource manager nowadays. Now, the first one is globalization and its implication. Business today does not have any national boundaries. It reaches around the world. The rise of multinational corporation plays new recruitment, new requirements on human resource managers, the growth of liberal cross-border trade, use of communication technology, and the expansion of transactional companies are not likely to let up. Attaining global talent requires staying abreast for new strategies for finding and attracting the talent. The human resource department needs to ensure that the appropriate mix of employee in terms of knowledge, skill and culture adaptability is available to handle global assignments. So, this is the challenge and recent trend that are faced by a human resource manager in an organization. And the next one is workforce diversity. Workforce diversity means similarities and differences among employee in terms of age, culture background, physical ability of employee and disabilities, race, religion, gender, etc. No two humans are alike. Diversity is critically linked to the organization's strategy direction. The workforce composition is also changing over the year. Demands for equal pay for equal work, putting an end to the gender inequality, bias in certain occupations, breaking down the glass ceiling have already been met. So, this is also a trend and challenge that are faced by a human resource manager in an organization. In current scenario, employing diversified workforce is necessity for every organization, but to manage such diversified workforce is also a big challenge for the management. And the third one is a employee expectation. Nowadays, workers are better educated and more demanding and are ready to voice strong, violent, joint protest in case their expectations are not met. The list of financial, non-financial demand is ever growing and expanding, and fast changing industries such as software, telecom, entertainment, pharmaceuticals, the turnover ration for rising fast. If HR manager do not respond positively to employee expectations, the acquisition and development cost of recruits is going to mount up steadily. An efficient organization is therefore required to anticipate and manage turnover through human resource planning, training schemes followed by appropriate compensation package. So, this is also another challenge that are faced by a human resource manager in an organization. And the next one is a changing skill requirement. Recruiting and developing skilled labor is important for any company concerned about competitiveness, productivity, quality and managing the diverse workforce effectively. In second point, we have done the workforce diversity. Skill deficiency translate into significant losses for the organization in terms of poor quality work, lower productivity, increase in employee accidents and customer complaints. Since a growing number of jobs will require more education, higher level of language than current ones. Human resource management practitioners and specialists will have to communicate this to educators and community leaders, etc. So, strategic human resource planning will have to carefully weigh the skill deficiency and shortage. Human resource management department will have to devise suitable training, short term programs to bridge the skill gap and deficiency. So, this is also another challenge and recent trend that are faced by a human resource management or human resource manager in an organization. And the next one is corporate downsizing. Whenever an organization attempts to delay, it is attempting to create greater efficiency. The pressure to remain cost effective has also compelled many firms to go learn, cutting down extra fat at each managerial level. So, the simple meaning of corporate downsizing is cutting down extra fat at each managerial level. The premise of downsizing is to reduce the number of workers employed by the organization. Human resource management people must ensure that proper communication must take place during this time. They must minimize the negative effects of rumors and ensure that individuals are kept informed with factual data. This is also another challenge to manage the corporate downsizing and to ensure that proper communication must take place during this time. The next one is a continuous improvement program. It is a process whereby an organization focus on quality, build a better foundation to serve its customer. This often involves the company-wide initiative to improve the quality and productivity. The company change its operation on focus on the customer and to involve workers in matter affecting them. Companies strive to improve everything that they do, from hiring quality people to administrative paper processing to meet customer need. Or human source management plays an important role in the implication of continuous improvement program. Human source management must prepare individual for the change. This requires clear and extensive communication of why the change will occur and what is to be expected and what effect it will have on employees. And the next trend and challenge that are faced by human source managers in an organization is re-engineering work process for improved productivity. Re-engineering occurs when more than 70% of the work process in an organization are evaluated and altered. Although continuous improvement initiatives are positive starts in many of our organizations, they typically focus on ongoing incremental change. It required organizational member to rethink what work should be done, how it is to be done, how to best implement these decisions. Reengineering changes how organizations do their business directly affect the employee. Re-engineering may leave certain employee frustrated, angry, unsure of what expect. So human source management must have mechanism in place of employee to get appropriate direction of what to do, what to expect, as well as assistance in dealing with their conflict that may permeate the organization. For re-engineering to generate its benefit, human resource management needs to offer skill training to its employee. So now another challenge of human source management is contingent workforce. Contingent workforce means a workers who are individual who are typically hired for shorter period of time. These type of workers are known as contingent workforce. A very substantial part of the modern day workforce are the contingent workers. No organization can make the transition to a contingent workforce without sufficient planning. As such, when these strategic decisions are being made, human source management must be an active partner in these type of decisions or discussions. After its entire human source management department's responsibility to locate, bring into the organization these temporary workers. As temporary workers are brought in, human source management will also have to responsibility of quickly adapting them to the organization. Human source management will also have to give some thought to how it will attract quality of the contingent workforce. Now the next one is mass customization. Mass customization, there is a lot going on already within HR concern. Mass customization, the optimal combination of mass production with customization. So human resource will need to take the tools of marketing around customization for consumer and clients and applying them to the task of talent segmentation. Human resource should develop principle for understanding the optimum level of customization in the employment relation. And moreover, because customization will often mean that different groups of employees receive different employment arrangement based on their needs or the way they contribute, human resource must develop principles that equip leaders to explain these differences to employees. So the next one is decentralized work sites. Work sites nowadays, work sites are getting more and more decentralized. Telecommunicating capabilities that exist today have made it possible for the employees to be located anywhere on the globe. For human source management, decentralized worksite present a challenge. Much of that challenge revolve around training managers in how to establish and ensure appropriate work quality and on-time completion. Work at home may also require human source management to rethink its compensation policy. Will it pay by the hour, on salary basis, or by the job performed? Also, because employee in decentralized work sites are full-time employee of the organization as opposed to contingent workers, it will be organization's responsibility to ensure health and safety of the decentralized workforce. And another challenge is employee involvement. For today's organization to be successful, there are number of employees involvement concepts that appear to be accepted. These are the delegation, participative management, work team, goal getting, goal setting, employee training and empowering of employees. So, human source management has a significant role to play in employee involvement. How we can involve the employee in an organization, how we can motivate and how we can satisfy them. What is needed to demonstrate leadership as well as sportive management? Employee needs to be trained, and that's where human resource management has a significant role to play. And the next one is a technology. Nowadays, we today world is known as a technological world. Every day we are born with the new technology. So, with the current technological advancement and its projection in the future, it has brought in new eyes in the face of human source management. A number of computerized systems has been invented to help in human source management, of which they are seen as simplifier of human source functions in a companies. For instance, the paperwork files are being replaced by a human source management information system, HRMIS, human source management information system, which may be tailor made or off the shelf. These systems help in handling a lot of data on a chip other than having a room full of the files. So, what human source management is concerned with here are safely, confidentially of the data information of staff. Therefore, it is at the forefront of having a trained personnel in operating such system, developing the integrity of such personnel to handle the sensitivity of the matter. And the next one is family work life balance. Family work life balance is also a biggest challenge and trend that are faced by human source management manager. Over a long time now, human source management history, it has been a big debate about family life work balance. Employee have been on toes of the employer to see if there could be justice done, and on the other hand employer have been keen to minimize the effect of the same. The fact is, happy family is equal to a happy workforce. Happy employee is a productive employee. With the current trend, human source management have to work it out that every employee's families to some extent is a happy one. Therefore, human source management investing in what way seem out hand of the organization is inevitable. It is a time human source management to convince management to organize family day out for the staff, their family sacrifice sometimes for the day off to enable employees to attend to their family issues, because happy employee is a productive employee. This is also a responsibility of human source manager to satisfy them, to motivate them, to make them happy. So, this is also a challenge that are faced by a human resource manager in an organization nowadays. Now, the next one is health and safety. Health and safety is also very important for a human resource, or this is also a challenge that are faced by human resource manager. The area of safety and accident prevention of a great concern to a manager, at least partially because of the increasing number of death and accident at work. Failure to provide a safe place to work can result in major fines and even criminal convictions for managers. Supervisor play a key role in monitoring workers for safety. And the next one is confidentially. The current trends have been seen as a new challenge in the terms of cost, especially in the short run, but for organization to strive well in the competitive market together with the labor mobility, it is important to rethink the human resource management in terms of current trends at all level. It goes without say that as longer as there is no clear defined human resource management strategy in the given organization, there is a definitely a problem boiling in the same organization, or an explosion is bound to happen. With the current trend in managing the most valued organizations resource, organizations have a dig deeper to maintain. So, these are the recent trends and challenge that are faced by a human resource management or human resource manager in an organization. Today, we have done the functions of human resource management and the recent trends and challenge of human resource manager in an organization. Functions of management, human resource management classified into three: managerial function, operative function and advisory function. And the recent trends in human resource management, we have done 15. Thanks.